stock market recap, and key events to watch next week. Welcome back to the channel. Wall Street ended the week with a rally, despite a volatile few days dominated by recession fears and tariff uncertainty. Here's a full breakdown of what happened in the market, the trades we made, and what investors should focus on next week. Like, subscribe, and join us on Patreon for exclusive market updates. Market recap. A rough week ends on a high note. 1. The Nasdaq remains in correction territory, and the S&P 500 dipped in and out of correction. 2. The S&P short-range oscillator stayed in oversold territory for most of the week. 3. We took advantage of the sell-off to buy quality stocks while also trimming some outperforming positions. Weekly performance. 1. S&P 500 minus 2.3%. 2. Nasdaq minus 2.4%, fourth straight weekly decline. 3. Dow minus 3%, worst week since March 2023. Trade recap, what we bought and sold this week. Monday, March 10th, bought CrowdStrike, CRWD, Capital One, Co-op, Disney, DIS, Goldman Sachs, GS, Trimmed, Abbott Labs, ABT, Linde, Lin. Tuesday, March 11th, bought Capital One, COF, TJX Companies, TJX, Texas Roadhouse, TXRH, sold GE Healthcare, GEHC. Wednesday, March 12th, bought Texas Roadhouse, TXRH, Dover, DOV. Thursday, March 13th, bought Capital One, COF, Eaton, ETN, Home Depot, HD. Friday, March 14th, bought Capital One, COF, exited, Nextracker, NXT. Key takeaway: 1. We're still oversold, but not as extreme as earlier in the week. 2. The market is pricing in uncertainty, making disciplined buying critical. Key events to watch next week. 1. Federal Reserve Policy Meeting. Wednesday, March 19th. 1. The Fed is expected to hold rates at 4.25%, 4.5%. 2. The big focus, the Fed's dot plot, rate projections, and Jerome Powell's press conference at 2:30 p.m. ET. 3. Will the Fed cut rates 3 times in 2025? 3. The market is watching closely. 2. Key economic reports. 1. Monday, retail sales, consumer spending trends. 2. Tuesday, housing starts and industrial production, manufacturing and housing data. 3. Thursday, jobless claims and existing home sale. 3. NVIDIA GTC conference, Tuesday, March 18th. 1. CEO Jensen Huang will reveal updates on NVIDIA's AI chips. 2. We expect details on Blackwell Ultra AI chip, fall 2025 release. Vera Rubin, AI chip 2026 release. 3. Jim Cramer will be at the conference. 4. Disney, DIS, annual shareholder meeting, Thursday, March 20th. 1. We're watching for updates on CEO Bob Iger's succession plan, ESPN's streaming service launch, theme park competition, and economic uncertainty. 2. We bought more Disney on March 10th. Final thoughts. What's next? Investors remain cautious amid tariff fears and economic concerns. We are selectively buying beaten-down quality stocks, TXRH, SOF, ETN, HD. All eyes on the Fed, NVIDIA, and Disney next week. That's it for this week's market recap and preview. Be sure to subscribe and join us on Patreon for exclusive insights and real-time market updates. Patreon.com, CE user, U=80406114#. Stock market #investing #Jim Cramer #NVIDIA Disney Federal Reserve Capital One Home Depot #Finance News.